using system packages. In last video, we studied what are the different Java APIs, that is built-in library classes. Now, in this video, we study how to access that classes in our program. So that is the main concept here. Using the system package means how to import that class, how to access that class which is stored in a Java API into my program. Now, the Java packages are organized into a hierarchical structure as illustrated in the figure here. In Java API, all the classes are put it in a hierarchical structure. For example, here at the top we have a package called as Java. In that Java package, we have a number of other sub packages. One of the example is given is called as AWT here, Abstract Window Toolkit. Now within that Abstract Window Toolkit AWT package, we have numerous various number of classes like colors, graphics, fonts, image, like that. There are many different classes which is used for creating a user interface, graphical user interface. Now I want to show you how to create a class, how to create an object of these classes. To create an object of these classes, first I have to access these classes in my program. So there are two ways to access these classes. The first one is called as fully qualified class name. In fully qualified class name, we have to give the class name along with the package name. So we are appending the class name along with the package name, that is called as fully qualified class name. Each package is separated by a dot symbol, and at the end we are using the class name. So this is the way of writing fully qualified class name. We see here, now we have written, this is the one example here. First we have written the package name like Java, then dot, then within the Java we have AWT, then we have again dot, then you return the class name. So this is the way of creating or calling the class from the package. This is called as fully qualified class name. This type of technique is used when you want to access a single class from a package. If you want to access multiple classes from a package, or I want to use this class for, or I want to call this class for many times, in that case we are using another technique called as, second approach is called as import statement. The second approach to access a class is using a import statement. If you want to access multiple classes from the package, or I want to use the class many times, same class will be used many times, and that the class hierarchy is very wide, means it contains many number of packages. In that case it is better to use import statement. Import statement can be written like this one: import package name dot star. Here the star indicates all the classes which is belonging to this package name. I have to provide the hierarchy of that package. For example, I have tried java.awt.star. That means Java, it will access all the classes from that java.awt package. Now if I want to access a specific class, I am not mentioning all the classes, I need a specific class from the package. Then I have tried, this is the technique, java.awt.color. That indicates I want to access only the color class from the AWT package. Now this import statement will be written at the top of the program, before declaring any class. Before declaring any class, we have to write this import statement after the package statement. Now, in this example, I have imported a color class into my program, so I can directly create an object of color without specifying the package name. I just call color variable name is equal to new color. There is no need of writing any package name. So this is the advantage of importing the class. Now in this example here, I have written one more example here. Import java.awt.star semicolon. In this case, all the classes which is belonging to AWT package available here. I can create a object of color, I can create a object of font, I can create a object of graphics, image, text box, label. So many different classes are available in the AWT. I can create object of all that classes. So this is the advantage of using asterisk symbol. Asterisk means all the classes belonging to that package here.